thunder showers again. Big time rain. But mostly thunder I'm hearing right now. There's our neighbor's roof. Not too much rain though. Mostly drippy wet, but thunder. You can hear it. The sky's kind of dark, fluffy, like a marshmallow. It's really pretty out though. There's our other little neighbor in his studio apartment. He's honkered down. But it's looking really nice out anyways. Thought I'd just share it again because this is only one of the few that we've gotten this summer. You can hear the thunder though. Looking up at the trees. Way up there, that's where the squirrels drop the major pine cones on our heads and our roof. Little suckers, I want to get them with a pellet gun. They drive me nuts. That's the day spa upstairs over there. Anyways, lots of fun hanging out in Tahoe, listening to the thunder. Got the door open again. We got a glass door so we can see inside. So, it's nice out. Still thundering though. Well, have a good night. Talk to y'all later.